So let's start our application regarding that. But first, let me show you our linear system that we will be using in this video. So let me go down a bit, and now we have our step motor here. And like I've said, you can program the servo and step motors in the same way. Also, step motors and servo motors are fundamentally used for positioning. Their biggest difference is the torque setting. You can't use the torque with step motors, but it is possible to tune that torque with servo motors. So let's say a part is coming and it is pushing on another part. Now you won't be able to tune the torque of that part pushing the other if you are using a step motor. For example, a part comes and pushes on the other. You won't be able to tune the torque of that push, but if you are using a servo motor, then you will be able to tune the torque in order to make the first part come slowly and touch the other part. So you can think of them like this. This is the fundamental difference, and that's why we see the step and servo motors in different places in the industry, but they are both motors that are mainly used for positioning. We have our step motor that we will be using here and our driver. Look over there, we have the step motor that we took in order to use in the system. There is also an encoder linked to the step motor. Now let me express this as well. The step motors have internal encoders. However, when you purchase a servo motor set, you will see that they also come with an internal encoder set. We will not be performing an operation regarding the encoders now. Friends, as you see, we have a step motor driver called JK1545 for our step motor that we will be using. Now, I am assuming that you know the settings of that driver. I am assuming that you know how to set it up. Besides, let me put it in this way. As you can see, we have two separate tables here, one above and one below.